In today's fast-paced world, voice-activated technology is transforming how we interact with our surroundings. Whether you're looking for a simple way to stream music, control your smart home, or stay up to date with news and reminders, the Google Nest Mini second-generation smart speaker delivers a seamless, hands-free experience that makes everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Packed with impressive sound quality, easy-to-use features, and an ever-evolving Google Assistant, the Nest Mini is designed to fit perfectly into any room of your home. Whether you place it on your nightstand, countertop, or even mount it on the wall, this compact speaker offers big functionality without compromising on style or space. Why choose the Google Nest Mini second generation? The Google Nest Mini second generation is more than just a Bluetooth speaker. With enhanced sound quality, intuitive voice control, and compatibility with thousands of smart devices, this little speaker packs a punch. Here's why it should be on your radar. Number 1. Superior sound quality for a compact speaker. The Nest Mini is designed to deliver a bigger and richer sound than its predecessor. With a fuller bass and clearer audio, it fills any room with high-quality music. Number 2. Google Assistant, your personal voice assistant. The real magic of the Nest Mini lies in its integration with Google Assistant. Simply say, "Hey Google," and you'll have access to a world of information, from weather updates and news briefs to your personalized schedule, reminders, and commute times. Number 3. Control your home with your voice. The Nest Mini turns your house into a truly smart home with just your voice. It's compatible with thousands of smart devices, including lights, thermostats, TVs, and more. Number 4. Sleek and space-saving design. The Nest Mini is thoughtfully designed to blend seamlessly into any room in your home. Its compact size, 4.0 inches wide and deep, makes it the perfect addition to your nightstand, shelf, countertop, or even mounted on the wall. Number 5. Global compatibility and easy setup. The Nest Mini second generation works seamlessly across multiple languages and is compatible with international power outlets. Google Nest Mini second generation, key features and benefits. Bigger, richer sound, improved audio with more power and enhanced bass, making it perfect for music, podcasts, and streaming. Google Assistant, voice-activated personal assistant that helps with tasks like setting reminders, checking the weather, and controlling your smart home. Smart Home Control, easily control compatible devices like lights, thermostats, and TVs with just your voice. Compact and stylish design, sleek, small design that fits perfectly into any room and complements your home decor. Multilingual support, switch between languages like English, Spanish, French, and Portuguese for a truly global experience. Bluetooth streaming, stream music and audio directly from your phone to the Nest Mini for flexible listening options. Wall mountable, save space by mounting the speaker on the wall or placing it on any flat surface. The Google Nest Mini second generation is perfect for smart home enthusiasts, those looking to integrate voice control into their home for a more convenient and efficient living experience. Music lovers, anyone who enjoys streaming music, podcasts, or audiobooks with superior sound quality and a compact speaker. Small space dwellers, perfect for apartments or homes where space is limited but high-quality sound and smart functionality are still desired. Global travelers, with support for multiple languages and international power compatibility, the Nest Mini is ideal for those who move around or live in different regions. Tech newbies, thanks to its simple setup via the Google Home app and easy voice controls, the Nest Mini is a great starting point for anyone new to smart speakers. Google Nest Mini second generation. Pros and cons. Pros: improved sound quality, offers richer sound and enhanced bass compared to previous models. Compact design, space-saving and stylish, perfect for any room. Smart home integration, works seamlessly with thousands of smart devices, making it easy to control your home. Affordable, offers excellent value for its features and performance. Multilingual support, ideal for users across the globe, with support for multiple languages. Easy setup, setup is a breeze with the Google Home app, making it user-friendly for all ages. Cons: limited sound for larger spaces. While the audio is fantastic for its size, it might not fill large rooms as effectively as larger speakers. No battery option. The Nest Mini requires a power outlet, making it less portable compared to battery-powered options. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.